Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you are watching Tools of the Trade, or as I like to call them, TOTTs. T-O-T-T. Tools of the Trade. TOTTs. Don't go away. We're going to talk about a special one that I really like. This was some years ago. I think it was the first year I did the row by row. And I'd gone around to different places, not necessarily getting, buying the pattern. Sometimes I just got the free pattern. And to kind of see what I could do, I wanted to check it out. Well, we were at one shop here in Chattanooga, and I saw this. This is a 4-in-1 essential sewing tool by Alex Anderson. Guys, I love this. This is great. And why do they say 4-in-1? Because you've got a nice little presser on this side. You've got a, like for if you're doing something that you need to push the corners out. So I can press seams with this, smoothing things out, And then I can get my corners. I was making dolls on my embroidery machine for a while. Really great. There's a couple embroidery sites that are just really great. Dolls and Daydreams, for example. I really like her patterns. They're really easy, and I learned a lot when I was doing them. But I've kind of gotten away from those. I want to get back to them though. But Alex Anderson. So I've talked about the two wooden parts. Ta-da! Look at that. We have a metal stiletto. Now, when I think of stilettos, I think of shoes that I have never worn and will never wear. They just don't look comfortable to me. Now, I have heard, they really make your legs look nice, but I prefer comfort and being able to move around quickly. But we've got a nice stiletto. And I have found if I've got little pieces of fabric and maybe they're folding the wrong way, I can stick this into my machine and make sure I'm getting it under my presser foot to get things just right. But here's one of the most important tools. You ready? Take this side off, and you've got a nice seam ripper. I don't know about y'all, I can't stand those little bitty ones. This just doesn't work for me. But this one has a nice grip. Okay. I'm not having to grip real tight. I'm not having this little bitty thing that I just can't seem to hang on to. And it's just a standard seam ripper. You can get these at a variety of places, but I will provide a link down in the description. So when we're talking about what you must have in your sewing room, I don't know about y'all, I gotta have this. Interesting fact. I didn't know this. I had to look this up. But ever since then, I've loved it. Did you know ripping your seam is also called frogging? Yeah, frogging. I have to raise my hand and say, yes, I am one of those who does a lot of frogging. Because, get this? You rip it, rip it, rip it. Frogging. Rip it. And if I'm going to go frogging, I need my Alex Anderson tool, 4-in-1 tool. And this is one I keep handy. I tend to not put it away. It stays on my sewing table. I am thinking about making like a little apron or something, and that way it'll go in there. And it doesn't matter where I'm at, as long as I've got my little apron on. But this one is a very valuable tool. So I would like to know, have a question. What seam ripper do you use? Do you use stiletto, seam ripper, a presser, corner puncher, to smooth out your corners? What do you use? Because I am always on the lookout for something better. Something that will make my life easier. Something that will help me hang on to my energy and the use of, my hands and all that for as long as I can. AMG is one that affects muscle. And when I get tired, a lot of times those arms just don't want to hang, and I don't want to hang on to things. So far, this has been doing a good job. I like it very much. But what's your go-to? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to come back. I'm kind of rearranging my sewing area, and I am trying to put together all those tools that I must have to make it easier for me all in one place. So we're going to be talking about other tools. So be sure you come back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page, Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. And also Crazy Dave's Crew. It's a page on Facebook. And cdcrew.com. I can't blame the pandemic and the riots and all that sort of stuff on us being so far behind, because we were behind before all this happened. But we're trying. So bear with us. I've got 3 kids. Shelby's graduating. Yay. My boys next year. So we'll be done with homeschooling next year. Yay. It's been an adventure. And of course, I feel like I didn't do a good job. David's been very busy with the church, doing the live feed and the streaming of the services and different things, and putting up security cameras and making sure things are working. He's our technology deacon. I'm very proud of him for that. I'm a very proud deacon's wife. And we've been busy with, we made a garden. My husband fixed the tiller. I'm very impressed with him. Could not find one to buy. Could not find anyone to fix it. So he fixed it his own self. So I'm real proud of him on that. And let's see. Oh yeah, we've had 2 cats pass away. One very suddenly. So now we have 2 cats. If you want to meet them, we do have a video with our 4 furry friends. And the big white one, Jack, he passed away back in February. And then Phineas, he was our polydactyl cat. He passed away just very recently. So we're still kind of reeling from all that too. So, point I'm trying to make is I have no excuse, but I do have a lot of reasons. But I am sorry we've not been keeping up with the questions, more videos, more articles on the website. Bear with us. We are going to try to improve. So I do ask for your encouragement, your patience, and your patronage. I am so glad you joined us today, and I really hope you'll come back and join us for more adventures. You never know what's going to happen with the Crazy Dave's crew. I don't know what's going to happen. We'll both be surprised. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew.